Hey guys, so today we have the CSF Heat Exchanger upgrade for the GLC63s. It's the X253 facelift model. So it runs on the M177 engine. Just that it has some of the items upgraded from the E63s engine. So here we can see the intercoolers packaging. It unwrapped it just a bit, at least this. So this is typically how you find it packaged. You have this, you have a tag here, I guess should be your stickers, and this is the heat exchanger itself. So there you go. It comes with the CSF logo that should be visible on the front. If we do compare it to the stock cooler, which is here, the stock cooler does come with this. And this is it side by side, the CSF cooler. It actually inverted this. So let me just turn it a bit. Yeah, there you go, CSF. So the ports on the CSF cooler actually match whatever ports you have there. You can also see some similarities in the mounting brackets. They're relatively similar, just that the CSF ones are a bit longer to compensate for the size. Another thing you will notice is that the stock core is just slightly smaller than the CSF one. So that means this should have, you can already start seeing how you have increased thermal capacities out of this cooler as opposed to this one. So that's it. We guess the next time you'll see this is on the car, but yeah, this is it side by side, as you can see here. So yeah, the CSF one does come with the rock guard. Here it is, as you can see. This one is actually a metallic rock guard, which is different from the plastic one that comes from factory with the car. So as you're installing, you're expected to actually install that rock guard. Yeah.